Welcome. Today we're delving into Li Auto, a major player in the electric vehicle market. Hailing from China, Li Auto was founded in 2015 and has since made waves with its unique approach to EVs. They combine electric and gasoline power in what they call an extended range electric vehicle EREV design. This innovative take sets them apart in an increasingly crowded market, and their primary model, the last one, has proven to be a popular choice among consumers. Let's dive into some of the key features that make Li Auto stand out. Their EREV design is a key selling point, offering the benefits of an electric vehicle, such as reduced emissions, while also alleviating common concerns around range anxiety. The Li One also boasts advanced driver assistance systems, a spacious, luxurious interior, and high-tech infotainment. It's clear that Li Auto is targeting the high-end market with a focus on comfort and convenience. Speaking of the high-end market, let's take a look at Li Auto's pricing. The Li One is priced competitively within the premium SUV segment, providing an attractive option for those considering brands like Audi or BMW. It's important to note that while the price point may be higher than some other EVs, the hybrid nature of Li Auto's vehicles, alongside their luxury features, provides a unique value proposition to consumers. So, who are these vehicles ideal for? Given their unique combination of electric and gasoline power, they are a great choice for individuals who are interested in an EV but are concerned about range limitations. The Li One's luxury features also make it a strong pick for those seeking comfort and tech in their vehicle. Additionally, it's a great fit for environmentally conscious buyers looking for a more sustainable transportation option. Now, let's discuss the advantages of Li Auto. The review design offers the environmental benefits of an electric vehicle without the range anxiety. The luxury features and high-tech infotainment system offer a premium driving experience. Additionally, Li Auto's strong sales in China suggest a promising future as they expand their market reach. However, it's important to also address the limitations. The higher price point may deter some potential buyers. Furthermore, the EREV design, while mitigating range anxiety, does not completely eliminate emissions like a fully electric vehicle. Lastly, the brand is still relatively new, and long-term reliability is yet to be firmly established. Key takeaways. Li Auto offers a unique approach to electric vehicles with their EREV design, combining the best of both worlds. Their luxury features and competitive pricing make them a strong contender in the premium market. However, the higher price point and continued emissions may be a drawback for some. Overall, Li Auto is an innovative and promising player in the EV market. And that wraps up our analysis on Li Auto. We hope you found this information valuable. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.